know what this is? You got a veggie stick, some wakey soft bakes. We got woof woof oof in the belly treats. I'm gonna try this one. You want a treat? Platts. Good boy. I don't know if I like that one. This is a Enzo. Are you done with your treat? You've not eaten it. And look. You gonna toy? You gonna toy? You sniff it? He's like, Mom. Oh, what is that? Oh, look. You have an alligator. Yeah. Enzo, here. Get it. Enzo. It's like, no, I like the alligator. Here. You gonna try that one? Oh, yeah. Good boy. Oh, is it good? That's all I got. He's like, oh, I'll go for the alligator. Are you loving on your alligator? I'm actually very pleased with the toys that we have gotten from the Bark box because he hasn't demolished them like he normally does the other ones. He's eating. Good boy. Like the other toys that we got.
They're hard though. You heard that.
Yeah. I mean, even the balls that we get. He's eating. Good boy.
It's safe to say he likes his little Bark box.
What? You want this? You want one more treat? Platts. Good boy. I don't know if I like that one, but it's a veggie non-stick. He's eating. Good boy. Tell Dad, should you leave me alone? Should you leave me alone?
It's just a big baby. That's what that is. Yeah, even bigger baby when he does that.
Come here. Come here.